What's up, kids? We're in a garage that I don't own. And there's my dad. And there's Dad's Z. And there's a bumper. What are we doing, Dad?
Put the bumper on the back of the Z today.
So, over here, you guys remember, we put a JDM front bumper on Dad's S30. And now, we're going to put the JDM rear bumper on here as well because someone took off the American one or whatnot. So we're going to work on this. We got a black one to match the black front. Got some parts off eBay. This was expensive from somebody. And let's try to get it on. You excited, Dad?
Absolutely.
Let's do it. Look. Y'all look at this bottle of Loctite that my father has. It has no label. That thing's older than me, I bet. Like, damn.
Well, we find out that the floor of the garage is not totally level, so put a level down here with a weight on it to keep this level so we can make sure that everything gets measured off of that.
It's Ray Farrell's fault.
Yes, it is.
He's fired.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah, that looks... There's
better.
like still a hair gap,
Yeah,
but that looks better.
yeah, that's the way they go on.
Yep, we learned to put these on backwards. But welcome to buying parts off eBay. They have no instructions.
Yeah.
Got our bracket turned around. Fits a lot better. We have 2 color Sharpies. What do you want to do?
Mark the center of this bumper. Then mark the center on the car.
It's probably a good plan.
Hold that on that end. It's next shift. Piece of tape on that. Some interesting tape.
Yeah, I've been saying that. You know, listen to me.
I did. Hold that on there.
Do you like the paint pen that's sitting in my hand?
There we go. Not sure what kind of tape that is, but
The gold better. Not bad. They're equally pretty shitty on this tape. I think it's because the tape's not paper.
probably.
Also, we're getting demonetized, but I'm not monetized anyways, so screw you, YouTube. We'll play Aries. Do you enjoy being bald, Glenn?
Absolutely. Great idea.
Shave your heads, kids. More people should be bald.
Okay, let's put this back up there.
Let's mount this.
Is drill one of these, then mount it, and then drill the other one, and then work on that side. This bumper's gonna have to come on and off about 3 or 4 times.
All right. Did you mean to mark one or no? Did you mean to just mark one hole?
Hold on a second.
It's time for my favorite project of no turning back. So let's put some holes and stuff.
Well,
Did you just give me a what size bit is this?
25/64s.
Okay.
You want to mark the middle of those?
Sure.
Keep it from wandering.
So, small problem. This hole's not gonna work. We're gonna drill a new hole up in this area and we'll fix that later.
Maybe a big flat screwdriver. You tighten this up. There we go.
Trying to get my hand stuck down here. Good possibility it's getting stuck. Oh, where's some of those?
Jack, I want you to draw me like one of your French girls.
No, I don't think this is gonna work.
You mean the flange nut?
Yeah. Well, no, the flange nut might work. That washer
Yeah.
definitely won't work.
Okay.
That washer probably won't work.
Okay.
There we go. Well, we made some progress. Dad, how's it going?
Great.
You hate your car yet?
Love it.
Well, we're not modifying if you don't hate it. Well,
Okay.
we've got our bumper on. So we have our main back piece on. Now we got to figure out our little wings, our side deals. Gonna have to make a trip to Lowe's like always.
So you know what? Those things may actually clear.
And I hope they clear.
Cool.
Another reason why Dad's garage is super dope. We have a TV. And it's AC'd. And there's a bathroom. You can basically live out here. So yeah, we'll throw this thing back on. Loctite. Now we gotta use this ancient Loctite. update. Would it even be a video mine if the camera didn't die like halfway through the video? No. So camera died. We have some battery. It's been charging for a little bit, but while it's been charging, Dad and I got the bumper all bolted up. We drilled our holes for the little wing pieces, and now we're just gonna slap this thing on.
Well, 2.5 inches.
Our bolts are too short, so we gotta go back to Lowe's.
I'm gonna get 3-inch bolts.
Oh, I need some distance. So, Dad's putting away tools. We got the bumper done. Dad, how do you feel about your bumper?
Love it. Great job. Thank you.
You sound so annoyed in videos. There's very short responses. It's like, yeah, fuck you, son. Shut up. I want to go back inside. So we got our bumper done. It was a struggle. Dad, would you agree it was a struggle?
Absolutely.
So we had a lot of trouble getting the little side pieces on, but we persevered and found out you can get into the inner fender through the hatch. So I had to take apart a bunch of the interior to get to that. But we've got our bumper on and it matches. And I'd say it looks pretty good. I'm definitely a fan. What do you guys think? What do you want to do next? Seats?
Probably seats. Some interior work.
Seats are next.
Actually that, and then I get a paint job.
Paint it. Seats.
That's probably the next one.
Seats and paint it. So we got to get rid of those seats. But overall, this went pretty good. All right. I'd say this is about it. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know what you guys think of the Z. Suggest seats. I think I've already said to suggest seats, but suggest the seats. Dad is 60 years old. He does not want any fixed back bride known to man. So don't give me that crap. We need reclinables, comfortable for a 6'2" man who is like 240 pounds. So remember that with your suggestions. Don't tell me bucket race seats. We're not doing it. That's for the FC. But we're done. So we will see you kids. Oh, we will see you kids later. Bye, y'all. You want to say bye, Dad?
Bye guys. Thanks.